Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be putting this idle stop on this 2019 Honda Passport. So what that does is basically when you get in your vehicle every time and you don't run this auto start stop, this is going to automatically disable it when you start the car. So most of the time if you don't use it, you get in, you start it, you hit that button and it takes it off. I don't personally like the start stop function here, especially where I live at in West Virginia. It's really just, it's not useful here, and also it sometimes can cause a little bit of a delay when taking off if you need to take off in haste. So that's more for city driving. So what we're going to do is get rid of it in my wife's vehicle. This installation is super simple. Idlestopper is who provides it. In the kit you get the control box here, 2 pieces of this felt, and a zip tie. So the first thing we're going to do is up front here, you either have a wireless charger or you just have the panel that goes there. But you'll see 2 tab locations, one here and one here. So, then I accidentally pop that one back down. Here we go. So that piece is up. Now when you pull it up, there is going to be a connector right there. So what we're going to do here is, well, keep a hold of the thing. So we're going to unplug that connector. It just has a push button right there on the back. We'll push it in and pull it out. Now with that out of the way, you got 2 Phillips screws. One here and one here. And we'll be able to just back those out. Now those Phillips screws are out, we can slide this back a little, grab right here and lift straight up. And what we're going to be doing is this whole panel is going to pop up. So there you go. All right, so now we're going to be able to take that and just kind of lay it over here to the side just for one moment. Sorry for the glare. Now what we've got to get down to is, you know, inside this piece here we have that power outlet, so you can see down there. Well, in the vehicle you can see its connection right down there at the bottom. It's gray, it's got the brown and black wire. We're gonna go down through there and disconnect that right now. All right, so with that out of there, you can see the male connection there on the right and the female looking up at us. So now we're gonna take this module, and obviously we're going to put this piece into this male into the female, and this female into the male, make a connection. All right, show you that the first connection I did was right here with the male terminal into that female one, and that's into the wiring harness of the vehicle. Now this one's not actually going to snap in place, which I don't care for that, but it is how this clip is, because most of them, as you pulled that one off the bottom, they have that push button right here on the side that's going to allow it to be released, but that one's not going to have it. But they do supply this piece of felt tape that will wrap around the connection, so we'll go ahead and get that one wrapped. And in the meantime, while I'm down there, I'll go ahead and plug this back into the cigarette lighter. All right, the connections are made down in there. They're double checked. Got the felt tape around that connection, so that should help hold it together. Do be careful working around this metal because it is pretty sharp. So just make sure when you got your hand down in there, you're being mindful. You might even put some tape around that edge, just because that is some factory cut, sharp edge, straight metal. But now, since that connection's made, we can make the final connection up here. So on your auto start stop button, you'll see it right there on the back of it. And that's going to mate up to the connections that's on this Idlestopper. So what we'll do is go down here, push that pin, push that tab down, bring up our Idlestopper here, and it's just going to match up. This one, of course, the male plug, go right back into place. Here it snap in. That's a good confirmation. Other than that other one down there, not too impressed with that. And then your next one here, just go plug straight in and get a hold of it. like so. And then that's, you're plugged in. So now they give you that zip tie, so you can zip tie this box up against this harness. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, with that in place, now we can just put everything back down how it should go back in. Get some of this stuff. I don't know what that is, but we'll slide that guy back in place. And I'm gonna go under here and just make sure. As you can see, it looks like it's clear and everything. It's gonna go right down inside that hole. Get this baby line back up, and we'll snap her back down. All right, double checked everything. We're lined up good. So it should be able to just press this guy back in. No problem there. Grab these 2 screws. One here. And one here. Get the Phillips, thread them back in. With that, now we grab his wireless charger. Go ahead and get it, and I'm going to plug it back in and snap it back down. All right, now all that's in, let's go ahead and do the startup. All right. There you see the auto start button up top here, kick on. That means it is disabled. So, get you focused in there a little bit. If I press it, you see it's enabled. So automatically when you get in, it's going to be disabled. So let's kill it there. Open the door, we'll go ahead, start back. And boom, there it is. So guys, thanks for tuning in on this one with me. The install was super easy, just right here in the center console. Simple tools, just a pry tool. If you didn't have it, you could probably done it with a screwdriver, and probably just put something here so you didn't tear up your trim. But super easy, it's hidden, you never know. So if you guys would, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, MustangJackson67. And until next time, let's keep building.